Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 11 of this house build. Let's get started. So now we're gonna continue working on this. I showed you how to create this one on the last video and change it by using faces only. Here we're going to continue working on this and then we just need to pull this one up as well all the way to this one. So AL, let's get that face there and then there, and then now select this one, grab it from there. I want to have the same height similar to here, so I'm just going to use align and then align as well, AL from this one. There we go. So now everything is up there. I feel like I'm still missing something here. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to go to my wall, and then here we have sweep. I'm gonna select that sweep. I'm gonna use vertical. I'm gonna add a vertical sweep right here. But before I put that, I want to change the material. And let's put in something different. Again, a different wood. Let's use this one. Apply, okay. And then I'm going to add one for now. Select that again. And then go to south elevation so that we can fix it properly. Because it's over there. I'm going to use align so that it's aligned right here at the end. And then pull it down so that it's not going over right there. And then what I'm going to use is I'm going to use copy command, multiple, uncheck the constraint, and let's add, for example, something like this right here, and then right here as well. And then we should just use align, AL, and then and then another AL, AL, and then AL here. Oops. This one was unchecked, that's why we cannot create another one before. And then AL here. Let's just look at it. I'm just looking at if we could pull this off, we could add different ones and then we could actually box it in. But I just want to leave it like this for now. I think this is good enough the way it looks. And obviously we still have a frame there. For the paint here, I want to check this one. I forgot which paint that I use here. But the thing is, I want to surround this, even these faces, with the same one. Because I know this one is, so this one, I'm going to paint this to parking stripe. I'm gonna select this face here. That's something that I usually forgot to add when I click on this. There we go. So that's done. And then here, I forgot the paint that I use. Is it textile bamboo? No. Undo that. So instead, what I'm planning to do is change the material. Metal deck. I'm gonna select that. Now I just need to select all the faces from the wall. And then do it at the top right here. And then on the side. So you could change materials later on. So I'm happy with this. Next, I'm going to add in the pot light face base circle. I'm going to provide this as well, so don't worry. And then here, what I usually do is I just place one. I'm gonna place one right here, and then one right here. And then from here, let's do, and then I'm going to put something right here, and then we're going to fix that later on. So don't you worry. So now let's go to ceiling. I want to see it from the first floor. So from the first floor, we're seeing that I added somewhere right here. And we just need to keep on adding those. So I'm just estimating it. This is the midpoint. Copy. I'm gonna add one right here as well. Oh no, this one we have a vertical going up. So I'm just going to add right here and then right there, and then two more in the middle. Maybe we could just delete this. It will be too much. So I think that's good. That's balance. And then here, copy, and then add it. Something like that. And then add one more right here. So I'm happy with this as well. Let's move this one a bit. And then here, I believe we added this one for the top portion. But as you can see, we don't have the ceiling plan on others. So we need to go to view again. Plan view, ceiling plan, and we just need to add those. And then same thing, we have the ones right there at bottom. And then now I just need to double check in 3D. We added ones right here. I want to add somewhere here as well. So select that, CS, and then I want to add it right here. And then I want to go to first floor and then add it in the midpoint right there. And then copy, This one is showing for the second floor. We could just put it in the midpoint of the glass. So just an estimation, and then go to second floor, and now let's fix this one. We need to add one there, and then here select this one, copy, and then add something like that. It's up to you if you want. So I'm gonna add every midpoint right here. I'm gonna add 2 here, 1, then 2 right there, and then 1 more right here. And then if we check, I think we did it nicely. We have lights there, and why not add some lights here as well? So we're here anyway, so we could just add the ones that are showing here in the second floor. I'm gonna add it there, and then I'm going to add it right there. And then just go back to second floor, and then if it's not showing there, go to first floor, and it will be showing there. Put it in the midpoint, roughly. Select that, copy, and then grab it from there. I'm going to add 3 at the moment. And then here, this is around the midpoint as well. So copy. I'm going to put 4 or 5 because there's an entrance below. And then that's good. I think we're covered with the light pot, with the face space. Okay. I'm thinking if I should change this wall as well. So to change the material, and then here for the ramp, I don't know what happened here, but let me fix this. It's not going above. Going to ground. I want to, so I'm going to delete this and then add another ramp, ramp number 2. I'm still going to use that, and then all the way there. Click finish, and then flip this one, and then let's look at it at 3D. So for some reason it's not going at the top, on the top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna top offset this. I think this is around 300. So for some reason it's not working. So maybe we need more space. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this again. Let me figure this out. Ramp, going ground to first floor. Let's change this to 3000. And then go all the way there. Move it, MV, and let's look at it. Flip this. I think it's because we need more space for the incline. but I think if we change this to 6, we'll be able to get a more better slope. So I think we just need to do that. So I'm gonna undo what we did before, and then here I'm going to select that, edit 2000, and let's put this one at 3, and then there we go. So that's the way you fix that, because you need to change the ratio. So ramp max slope. So we just did that. And then we need to fix this area, because I just don't want just this one. Obviously we will have some grass at the area right here, so maybe let's do that for now so that we could visualize what we're doing. So click on floor, edit, duplicate that, floor number 6, edit. Here it's going to be grassed, select that, OK, and then OK. What I usually do is, again, I do this, I make it big so that we have enough room, and then here as well, same, to have enough room. And then here I'm going to go over that, add in a line right here, and then trim and extend around my building, and then trim and extend right there at the back, and then just delete this. You can then extend and then click finish. So now we have a lot of space. We can then just fix this part, and then we might add in some grass here so that we can even add something like this right here, and then we could change this a bit. So let's expand this for now, edit, ground, extend this. And then here, the way we extend this is we just need to add this. There will be errors, but we just need to trim and extend. Delete this so that we have a singular line. Click finish. So we have something that look like this, and then we could extend this actually beyond this. I want to show where the line of the street is, and where the line of this one as well. But if you think about it, we could just have our shot right here, and then we could just add in some beddings right about here. So we could either do those, because this is an extension of those, but we need that separation. Obviously we're gonna add in some trees at the side here. So actually I'm just going to edit this, because we need to move this one. I need to create something right here. So I will probably need to expand this one all the way right here. And then we need to delete this or trim this one. And then this will have a different floor. And this will be the floor for the road. So I'm going to basically clean this up on the next video. So for now, it's looking like this. I will need to expand this as well. So edit, and then move this one right there, align, because this is too much. We need grass here, and then some stone right here. So let's do that on the next video. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.